Making a short video to show you what I pulled out of the dryer vent that's connected to the wall. Got to make sure on a periodic basis, 3 to 6 months, you want to take this apart, take the dryer vent off, and look in the part it connects to in the wall and make sure that's clear. It'd be a good idea to get you a lint rod so you can get these at Home Depot or Lowe's. Go in the wall with it, and it helps you to free up any lint that would be causing a restriction that's going to cause your clothes not to dry. And again, this is the part your dryer vent connects to, located in the wall. And this vent runs, unfortunate, through the attic, which lets me know I gotta check this every 3 to 6 months, because when the dryer vent is not venting directly through the wall to outside, you run into these problems of lint building up. And this is what I got out of the wall and also out of the vent that connects to the wall. You want to squeeze this together and make sure, like I have, so that it's clear. You want to be able to see on the other side of it, and that'll let you know that it's clear. Okay? It'll let you know the vent is clear. You gotta clean it. And you want to be able to see all the way through the vent, like so. See my hand, my fingers, I'm wiggling the blue glove on. You want to be able to see completely through the vent. And the vent, you know, this is a normal vent, but it's like a slinky toy. You can squeeze it together. So you can clean it. And that's how I was able to clean all this lint out of it. And you can't prevent this from happening. I know you have a lint trap right here. Even though you keep this clean, your lint trap. This is the lint trap. I know you keep this clean. You clean this every time you dry the clothes, but unfortunate, that's not going to prevent any lint that's in the lint vent, the dryer vent, from clogging up. You're gonna have to take the dryer vent off and clean it. And this is what you possibly will see when you clean it. And this is what's causing your clothes not to dry. Don't go out and go get a new dryer, because you're gonna run into the same problems when this vent clogs up. That's connected to the dryer into the wall. Got to make sure you take it off, clean it, and reassemble it. If you're not that handy, take pictures of how it goes while you're taking it off, so you'll know how to put it back on when you have everything cleaned, okay? Again, this is just a tip on what to check for before you call for appliance service for your dryer, okay? I got my dryer laying on its back and I'm able to clean it. And that'll save you a lot of money, hopefully. All right, signing off. I hope this video is helpful. If you like the content on it, please smash the like button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.